Shots fired, 147 Maple. Officers on the scene.
911, what's your emergency?
Be advised, suspect is armed.
ETA of about 10 minutes.
Okay. We have a restaurant that just called. We got a female at the bar. I know it's only 11 in the morning, but it's 5 o'clock somewhere. Females at the bar refusing to leave, so they're requesting that we come and have her trespassed. Good morning.
Hi.
What's going on?
Oh, the camera's right here.
It sure is.
And I
What's going
love
on? Okay. You really drunk this morning?
No, I've done nothing.
Okay. They want you to leave, so can you go ahead and grab your stuff and let's walk outside?
No, I won't, because I have money and I've done nothing.
Okay.
I'm not gonna leave here.
What's your name?
No, I'm not gonna give you my name or anything like that because I don't agree with that. That's rude.
Okay. Have you been drinking this morning?
I literally came here. No, I'm not gonna talk to you. I literally came here to buy something. I have everything in my wallet. No, I'm not gonna do any of that.
So we're gonna get your stuff and we're gonna walk outside because they don't want you here,
Well,
okay?
You're not gonna get any of my stuff and you're not gonna walk outside. That's what you're not gonna do.
Okay.
No, you're not gonna do that.
Okay.
Oh.
Up you go.
No. What did I do? Honestly, what did I? No.
So they just asked you to leave, so what we're gonna do is we're just gonna walk you outside, okay, and we're gonna have a conversation with you out there, okay? Do you have your wallet in there?
I have many purses, I'm not sure.
You don't know if you have your wallet in
No,
your
I'm
purse?
not,
Okay,
no,
what's your
honestly.
name?
I'm not gonna give you my name because you're just putting handcuffs on me and we'll talk outside. That's what we will do.
What's your name? Do you have her purse? Yeah. Is your wallet in your purse? Okay. So I'm going to be really honest with you, okay? Your refusal to cooperate with us is going to make...
No.
So you need to stop talking and listen to me, okay?
No, I don't need to stop talking and listening to you because
Your
you're
refusal to talk to us is going...
I'll go to jail. Let's go.
Okay. If you refuse to ID yourself, then you're going to go. If you
I told you who I am.
You didn't.
And I gave you my purse, so if you want to keep
So
doing
I'm telling you right now that...
I'm telling you right now.
I'm just going to take you home.
I don't care where you take me. I'm
But
going to tell you this
if you
right now,
refuse
honey.
to cooperate with us,
You can do
it's
whatever
going to
you
lead
want,
to
and I can
something
sue
different.
you. Okay, let's do it.
Okay.
Let's do it. Let's. Money in my pocket.
You didn't do anything wrong.
And I didn't.
Okay, so give me your name so we can figure out how to get you home. What's your last name?
I'm pissed. I had a bad night. Okay.
Okay.
People have bad nights, and
Okay. So
I had a bad night, dude.
So you
and
can't.
I hate my ex-husband, and I just want to go home.
You have to. You can't stay here.
I don't want to stay here.
Listen to me, please. You can't stay here, and when we let you out, you have to be nice to people, or else we're gonna have to come back. Okay? And if you continue to cause problems with people, you're going to end up in jail, and I do not want to do that. You don't have to go to jail today. You need to go back home. Okay?
I don't want to go to jail because my daughter doesn't deserve
Absolutely. So you need to figure out how to get back home and just go to sleep. Okay? This one right here? Did you already look up this address? Because that's the one she says she's still at.
3508.
All right, you're going home.
I know, but it's your job, and it's like, I'm just making bad time on your job.
You were really not.
Well, I just want you to know that you really helped me today.
Well, I'm glad I can help.
You really did, because I was really going to give up on myself.
Oh, don't do that.
I was just going to give up on myself because I was like, you know what? Nothing.
Burger 76, 925.
Yeah, right. Exactly right here.
Okie dokie.
No,
Just
my
put
first
that
name.
right here in my computer.
You're actually like really saint.
Thank you. I appreciate
honestly,
that.
I
appreciate
I'm
that.
not just saying that because I'm drunk. 'cause
Thank you.
I'm honestly not drunk anymore, but
Okay.
I really just want to say, like,
No problem. I got other calls to get to, okay? So
Okay.
you have a good night.
Thank
Or
you.
have a good day.
thank you.
No problem. Oh, look at that. Her mother's here. Hi, are you mom? Initially kind of refusing to cooperate.